Manufacturing is moving at an increasingly accelerated pace, driven by customization, faster production and delivery, customer experience, and hyper-competition. To remain competitive, consumer goods manufacturers and suppliers using SAP systems are migrating to the cloud to take advantage of the intelligent platform's new functionalities as soon as possible. This requires a cloud solution designed to maximize agility and responsiveness to complex business needs. T-Systems and Microsoft have teamed up to offer a seamless integration of SAP solutions on Microsoft Azure with an existing hosted private cloud SAP landscape. With T-Systems and Microsoft, you'll get faster deployment infrastructure resources according to your changing needs, and redeployment of all QAS, Dev, and Prod SAP systems from private cloud to Azure in just a few weeks. On top of that, we can fully manage your SAP operations for manufacturing. T-Systems has more than 15 years of experience in cloud-based SAP solutions and transformation services, delivering SAP services agnostically on multi-cloud platforms for your business. We're also the largest SAP hosting provider worldwide, helping manufacturers migrate seamlessly to a public, private, or hybrid cloud. As a certified SAP service provider, we've been recognized by the industry, and as a Microsoft Global Gold Partner, our teams include Microsoft certified specialists and assisting Microsoft with testing, including upcoming S/4HANA releases before rollout. We offer end-to-end Azure-based SAP services, including consulting services for cloud strategy, migration, security, and DevOps, SAP Basis Operation and SAP Project Consulting Services, SAP HANA pre-studies and migration projects, surrounding support across SAP at 3 levels: Service Desk, DevOps, and Service Management services including security, and networking services to optimize access to Azure cloud resources. Stay ahead of the changing manufacturing landscape by migrating to SAP on Azure from T-Systems and Microsoft. To learn more, contact us today or visit tsystems.com.